Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this list, and lastly we learned about add function. Today we are going to learn about addWeighted function, which is very similar to the add function, and it's just different than the add function. The parameters this is taking: alpha, which is the weight of source 1, beta, which is the weight of source 2, gamma, which is gonna be added at the end to the destination output array, and also destination type is also taking, so we are gonna be able to specify our output array type. But different than the add function, this is not taking mask array, so we are not able to specify the desired coordinates. So it means for all of the elements of the input arrays the calculation is gonna be done. Okay, here the formula which is applied in this function, and we can switch to the code part, I believe. Okay, this example from the previous video from the add function, what we did in here, we just specify we just create a mat 3 by 3 mat in here, which is 8-bit, and this is the second mat. We just create 3 by 3 8-bit and just assign it to some numbers, to its pixel values, and here the output which is gonna be seen at the end. Okay, we can continue on this one, but for this function we don't need mask because it's not taking, and this can stay still, so we can see the output in the console also. And let's call our addWeighted function. The first input 1, and the weight of the input 1, let's say start with 2 maybe, so we can also easily calculate, and source 2 is gonna be the input 2, and its weight also, let's say 1, maybe more easy to understand. And okay, after that the gamma, which is gonna be added at the end, let's make 10, and the destination output. And for the first example, maybe we don't need to specify the type of the output, so it's gonna take the same output with the input arrays, which is 8-bit single channel image. Okay, and okay, let's run the code. This is input 1, this is input 2, and this is the output. And let's open a calculator so we can see how it works. First of all, this is 12, start with 12, and we need to multiply it with its weight, because its weight is 2. And okay, I pressed a key so it's closed. Let's back here. 12 times 2 plus, and it was here 12, the corresponding is 9, but its weight is we specified as 1, so we don't need to multiply again. 9 times 1, or let's multiply, and plus the gamma, which is gonna be added at the end. We said 10, and the result is 43, which is in here. Similarly, you can apply for all of the elements in the same way, so it will give you the result accordingly. And this destination type, I will not talk about this one because we already made a good example in the add function, so you can switch to that video, and you can understand how this destination type is working. And yeah, simply this function just the weight 1 times input 1 elements plus weight 2 times input 2 elements plus the extra value you need to add, and you are gonna get your output. This function simply just works like this. And I'm done for this video, I believe. See you in the next videos.